Good morning guys. Today is the 5th day of tampering. So earlier there is heavy rain, so I wasn't able to come here. I supposed to come here because I want to capture the rain while I'm in the house, so that because the last video about the roof is I told you that I will check if there is a rain and I will check the roof, right? So then after the rain comes, so I come here to check the roof and everything is good. So right now Junior and Mark Van did not able to do the what they call this one, the bump out and the mini ports, because it's raining. So all they have to do for us this moment is they do the second bedroom and the what they call this one, the nomad's office, what to get the excess dirt. So let me show you what they do right now. So they are in the second bedroom. They starting removing the excess dirt. So that dirt will be like this. So that's why they remove that excess dirt. After that, they're gonna move here, but I think they're gonna finish it half this morning. Then maybe this afternoon, if there is no rain anymore, they're gonna continue the mini porch and the bump out. So yeah. So earlier guys, I show you that they do the second bedroom because they need to get the excess dirt of the bedroom. So they already done in the second bedroom, and then in Nomad's office they just started, but they did not yet finish because in this area they have roof. So while because the rain is already stopped, so they prioritize the mini porch and the bump out, so that when the rain comes, so they can do the nomad's office. So as you can see, like, they are halfway for the bump out, and then for the mini porch, Junior just started. So well, maybe tomorrow they gonna finish this area, the mini bump out, I mean the mini porch and the bump out, because they already removed the excess dirt. So they only have to do is to tamper. So alright guys, this is what it looks like, the mini porch and the bump out. So yeah, so they just did this today, half day. So maybe tomorrow they're gonna finish this one, and then after they're gonna clean this one also. So to remove the nails, everything, and arrange it in the porch. Alright guys, let me show you the floors of the house guys. So this is the porch, right? So you're gonna enter the main door, and then that's the exit door, and that is the sliding door, which is go to the mini porch. So yeah, this is the mini porch, and then from mini porch we will have to do a little walkway to the, they call that one, to the kitchen, and that is later on. And then from mini porch again to the bump out, because nomads want what the to relax this area, the bump out, because he gonna plan to make this one as a little living room in the master bedroom. So while there is someone calling you kanang time to eat, so he gonna go out this part. So this will be like I told you yesterday, that there will be a door here. Then from the bump out to the master bedroom, so there will be 3 step or 2 step of this area, so to go in the master bedroom. So yeah, and then this is the door of the master bedroom. Go to the hallway and toilet, common toilet, second bedroom, nomad's office. Then go back again to the living room. That's it.
All right, guys. Appreciate you joining in, watching the YouTube channel, seeing the recap to where we are in our journey to building this house in the Philippines. Again, for all my subscribers, I appreciate you. All the new people that's coming in that's just watching, thank you for watching and liking my channel. I just wanted to give you guys an overview to where we are and an update of what's coming next. So the 3 things that we got to do next is electrician, cementing the floors, and also doing the walls, finishing the walls so we can put the windows and the doors in. So that's what we got coming up next in these up and coming videos. So anybody that wants to see that, I'm looking at another angle. I'm going to start doing time lapse. So this way, if you want to see how it's made from start to finish, I'm going to give you those 3 in a time lapse fashion. As always, guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Y'all know me, Brooklyn Nomad, Nomad Travels. Travel with us, even build a house with us, guys. Until the next video, I will see y'all soon. Love you guys. As always, we are out of here, guys.